The exact time of the founding of the Kalarasheuka monastery is unknown. According to legend, a Skemnik monk lived in a cave near the current monastery, who founded the monastic skete. It is assumed that the first wooden church was built here at the end of the 16th beginning of the 17th century. In 1813 the skete was transformed into a monastery. In 1916, during the First World War, the monks from Kalarasheuka were moved to the Dobruja monastery, and Russian nuns were settled instead. In 1940, the Soviet authorities expelled all the sisters from the monastery, and Theatre Abbés was thrown into the Dniester at night. In 1961 the Monastery Calarasheuka was closed. The iconostasis was destroyed, the icons were seized. First, a tuberculosis dispensary was opened in the monastery, then a school for mentally retarded children. On May 3, 1991, the Kalarasheuka monastery was reopened. In the autumn of 1999, the restoration of the cathedral was completed, then the restoration of the Holy Assumption Church. There are 3 springs in the monastery, the water of which is considered curative. The Monastery Calarasheuka is located in the Naturel Reserve area of the city of Ataki. It is built at the exit from the gorge, surrounded on 3 sides by rocks and forest. On the top of one of the rocks above the monastery, you can see skete with a cross installed next to it. The monastery is separated from capital by about 200 kilometers.